Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. So I'm super excited. I have a haul for you guys. I've actually had this haul, I want to say like 2 weeks now, and I just had it sitting here waiting to film. I did use like one or two items just because sometimes I can't wait to use my items, but like I gotta get this haul done and over with. So if you guys want to know what I got in my Ulta and Marshall's haul, you guys know what to do. Ooh, just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so if you're new to my channel, before I get into my haul, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I absolutely love beauty products, anything beauty related, makeup, skincare, hair products. I'm like the biggest girly girl, but yet at the same time, I kind of could be like a tomboy because I have a punky side to myself too. Today, I'm feeling kind of like punky, but like my nails are pink, so I'm still girly. Like overall, I'm definitely a girly girl, but I definitely do have a punky side. And today, you get like a little bit of that. I don't even know what vibes I'm going for today. I'm kind of giving you goth, grunge, bad hair day, hence the hat, hair in a ponytail type of vibe. So if you're vibing with that, then continue watching and we're going to get into my haul. But if you guys do like beauty content related videos, such as hauls, like mystery, makeup unboxings, makeup subscription boxes, stuff like that, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. I tend to upload maybe 3 to 5 videos a week. Definitely don't upload every single day. I try to upload as much as I can, but you know, it's not always easy. I do have other stuff going on in my life, just like everybody else. So I do this when I have free time. So we're gonna get into the haul now. Alrighty, so I guess I'll start with my Ulta haul first, and then we'll run into the TJ Maxx haul. So I guess I'll start off with the foundation. I did try this because I wanted to make sure that the shade matched me. And I got Deep Sand. I wear Deep Sand in all of my foundations from Tarte. It matched me pretty good. My shade is Deep Sand if you're around my skin tone. So this is what the bottle looks like. And it's like a matte full coverage finish, which is like the vibes that I always go for. I love a full coverage, flawless beat face. I did work for MAC, you know, in my early career, early stages of my beauty career. So your girl loves a beat face. So like I'm definitely not like a tinted moisturizer type of a gal, and I definitely love a matte finish. So this actually was really good. It's the Face Tape Tarte foundation. I love, 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 love this foundation. I do use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as well. So this was a good buy for me. I also like I've been into like wing liners lately, and I've been into color wing liners. So I bought the NYX, the blue one, and the pink one of the Epic Wear Metallic eyeliners. I tried the pink one. I think I'm going to return them because they're very watery. And I tried shaking them, and they're still watery. So this is the pink one that I did wear, but I didn't really like it. Should I give it another try? Like, I've heard a lot of people like NYX's liquid liners, but for me, I didn't really like it. Like, I felt like it was very watery, and I had to keep drawing over and over and over to get like a line because it would come out very watery and not opaque. So I don't know if I should try it again in the picture. I was trying to go for like, you know, like it looks more opaque in the pictures here, but it definitely didn't look like that when I tried to use it. So we'll see if I give it another try. Also, I didn't know Tarte has a Shape Tape powder as well. So I got that as well in the color Tan Deep Neutral, number 47N. And the shade was very good. This is what the shade looks like. It matched me very well. So I'm going to keep these, and I'm happy to have. I'm always trying different foundations. I have so many different foundations. That's another whole video. I should do one of like my top, I guess, favorite foundations. Maybe I'll do that, like my top 10 foundations that I use or something, or top 5. We'll see, we'll see. Just thinking out loud. All right, so the next thing I got is some chestnut liner and a cork. I thought I got 2 chestnut, but I got a chestnut and a cork. I want to say at least 5 or 6 of these liners somewhere in my home, but I could never find them when I need them. Why are eyeliners like that? Eyeliners and lip liners. Or mascaras. Like when you need them, you can never find them. So I always, like if I go to MAC or Ulta, some Ultas carry MAC, I pick up a cork and I pick up a chestnut because these liners go with pretty much everything. So I got a cork, that's like a staple liner, and chestnut. These are like my staple go-to liners. I love, love, love these liners. So got them both. Will I be able to find this come like tomorrow? Probably not, but I mean, I guess I gotta keep buying them and storing them all over my house. But yes, I got those. And then that was it for my Ulta haul. I did go to TJ Maxx as well. No, actually, I'm sorry. My last haul, I think, was TJ Maxx. This one is Marshall's. And I've been going to picking up Cara Beauty palettes. Like, these are just some that I have sitting here, but most of them are in my beauty room where I have, like, my vanity. Like, I'm obsessed with Cara's palettes. Like, these palettes are, like, amazing. I buy them mostly for like the sparkle shadows in them, which is like, why am I buying it for just like 1 or 2 shades? But these are the things that's things that I just do. So, you know, I'm sure I'm not the only one. But they had 2 more Cara Beauty palettes, so I wanted to keep, because I love the quality. Like, for example, this palette was only $9.99 from Marshall's. So, like, why would I not buy the palette? It just makes sense to get it for the price, right? So, let's open this up so you can see what the shades looks like. And I'm going to open this one up as well. All right, I took the 2 sleeves off. This is a Cara Beauty. They had 2 palettes, but this was the one that matched my skin tone. This is what she looks like. I'm so excited to use this palette. It looks really nice and perfect for my skin tone. The other one was, I feel like the other one was for more lighter skin. This is for more darker skin. So I love, love, love. Because usually when I find contour palettes, they don't really have a lot of shades for my skin tone. So this was definitely a steal. This was only $7.99. Sorry, I was a savage and like ripped the box open. But it was $7.99 for this. And excited for this one, just for like the sparkles. Look how pretty, guys. Like, look how pretty. So the sparkles on the bottom is why I buy these palettes. Like, people stop me everywhere. They're like, oh my gosh, I love your shadow. I'm like, thanks, Cara Beauty. And when I say that, they're like, Cara Beauty? Like, I've never heard of Cara Beauty. And I mean, I can't blame them because most people don't know about them. It is an indie brand. But if you know, you know. And these sparkle shadows, oh my goodness, they're so pretty on. Can't wait to wear this palette. It has like pinks and purples, and when I'm not having my punky side and my girly side, I will wear like more of these pink sparkle shadows. Alright, so I'm not a big like Wet n Wild fan. I've never tried any of their palettes, but I thought this palette was really cute. It's a limited edition, and it had a lot of sparkle shadows in there. And anybody who knows me, like knows me, knows 9 times out of 10, I always have something on that has sparkle. I love sparkle shadows. I tend to wear sparkle shadows almost every day. But if I wear a wing liner, I'm not going to just bother with any sparkle. So today I didn't really wear any sparkle, but I thought this was cute. Let's open it up so you guys can get a better view of it. So unfortunately, there was no mirror with this palette. This palette retails for $5.99. The price was on the back. And I like sometimes I have my palettes and I forget like what shades is in it. Like if I just had these palettes here, right? Like I don't know what colors, and I'm not gonna memorize every single color that's in these palettes. But I like that this is clear so that you can just see the colors right through. That's kind of cool. I wish every palette was like that. And I'm loving these sparkle shadows. I have a feeling they're gonna be very nice. So I can't wait to try like the pink one, the bronze one, there's a white sparkly one and a blue one. So I'm very excited. Anything sparkly, sign me up. Sign your girl up. Alrighty, I also got the Purity Cleanser from Philosophy. I've been using this Purity since like forever. If you follow me on my channel, you already know. You already know the deal. Like, I bought 2 of these, I think, in my last TJ Maxx Marshalls haul. But they were, like, smaller. I never really see the big ones. But they had a big one, so I had to get it. It was originally $33. I got it for $19.99. So, I'm super excited for this. Guys, if you guys want a cleanser that takes everything off, and, like, sometimes people double cleanse. Like, they use a cleansing balm, they use like makeup removal, then they wash their face, which sometimes I do that, but like you really don't have to do that with this cleanser because it's a makeup removal, so you can actually take off your eyeshadow with this cleanser and it doesn't burn or sting your eyes or irritate it. So matter of fact, if you're cleaning your eyes with this cleanser, you can open your eyes, doesn't make your eyes feel foggy. Like I love that. Like I don't have to buy a makeup removal, use it, and it has a built-in toner. It's called One Step Facial Cleanser because it's like a 3-in-1. It also, they say it's like a built-in toner, so you don't even have to tone your face afterwards, but I always do because I just want to make sure everything's off of my face. But this is the OG cleanser. I hope they never, ever discontinue this cleanser. I would be devastated if they ever discontinue this cleanser because I absolutely love this cleanser. Alrighty, and the last thing I got is this cool cup. Now, I have no business buying any cups because I have so many cups. Like, so many cups I don't even know where to put them anymore. But, I mean, who could resist a cute cup? And TJ Maxx and Marshalls always has the cutest cups. So, this cup was originally $7. I got it for $4.99. So I love that the cup is clear, first of all. I love clear mugs. But I love that it looks kind of purpley, pinky, like cast to it. Like reflexy. Pink's my favorite color. Rose gold's my second favorite color. Then I would say purple. And then I would say black for when I do my punky side. Like today. So, I love this. I love this ASMR. Alrighty guys, that's all for my haul. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys ever heard of Cara Beauty, have you used any of this stuff? Do you use anything that I got in my haul today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Show me some love. Give me a little thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.